Hey, good afternoon from Engadget. It's Wednesday, February 10th. I'm Kyle Sauerhofer, and here's what's happening in the world of technology. Brought to you by Quantic School of Business and Technology. Transformative business leaders need a transformative education. Quantic brings the traditional MBA to life with a focus on innovation and technology, delivered in a micro-lesson format providing personalized feedback every 8 seconds. Visit quantic.edu/Engadget for more. When the first 2 segments of NASA's Gateway Station make their way to the moon sometime in 2024, they'll be carried into space by a Falcon Heavy rocket. The $331.8 million agreement, which the agency announced on Tuesday, is the second launch control NASA has awarded to SpaceX in as many weeks. Once it's safely in lunar orbit, the Gateway will serve as a way station for astronauts and equipment heading to the moon as part of NASA's Artemis program. The pair of modules SpaceX will ferry into space are the Power and Propulsion Element, PPE, and the Habitation and Logistics Outpost, HALO, which 2 separate companies are building for NASA for $375 million and $187 million respectively. The former will provide Gateway with power and allow the station to move to different lunar orbits, while the latter will give astronauts a place to stay on their way to the moon. The mission will blast off from Kennedy Space Center in May of 2024 at the earliest. In the lead-up to Artemis, NASA has been awarding contracts to private companies to speed up the project's timeline. In January, however, it came out that the agency had quietly pushed back the award timeframe for 2 lander contracts from late February to the end of April, which has cast doubt over whether NASA will be able to meet its ambitious 2024 goal for Artemis. In transportation news, a mere 2 months after acquiring Uber's self-driving car unit and a $400 million investment from the company, autonomous vehicle startup Aurora is partnering with the world's largest automaker. On Tuesday, the company announced a partnership with Toyota and Japanese auto parts supplier Denso via The Verge that will see the 3 firms work together to develop and test vehicles with Aurora's driver technology. They'll first integrate the hardware and software into a fleet of Toyota Sienna minivans before deploying it within a full-scale robotaxi service. By the end of 2021, we expect to have designed, built, and begun testing an initial fleet of these Siennas near our areas of development, the company said. It brings our companies together to lay the groundwork for the mass production, launch, and support of these vehicles with Toyota on ride-hailing networks, including Uber's, over the next few years. Today's announcement is an important one for Toyota, insofar as the company hasn't had a lot to show yet for all of the effort it has put into developing its own autonomous vehicle technologies. At the 2020 Olympic Games in Tokyo, the automaker said it would allow people to ride cars equipped with its Level 4 chauffeur technology, among other self-driving vehicle projects. Those demos have had to wait thanks to the coronavirus pandemic. We also have yet to see Toyota integrate Guardian, the driver assist system it announced alongside Chauffeur in 2019, into a production vehicle. At the time, that was something Toyota said it would offer soon and to any automaker that wanted to take advantage of it. If you want to catch the latest tech news as it's happening, check out Engadget.com or tune in again every weekday.